What is up, everyone? Hope you're doing fine. My name is Akshay, and you are watching the Candyology. You know, India is a country that everyone should visit at least once in their lifetime. It's a place where anything is possible and no day is the same. In years gone back, finding a hostel in India was not so easy task. But nowadays, hosteling is everywhere. And if you are riding solo on your trip to India, then look no further. Here is the top Indian hostels. Let's start the ultimate hostel guide video. Let me ask you the question. Is a trip to India really complete if you haven't visited the iconic pillar of the Taj Mahal? At Go Stops, you are just short 20-minute stroll from the new wonder of the India. In fact, on a clear day, you will even able to see the glimpse of it from the hostel rooftop. That's really great. Go Stops is a great place to meet other travelers with a basement common area, movie theater and rooftop restaurants. Staff are poised to throw parties, organize group trips at the drop of hat to make sure guests are kept happy all the times. The hostel chef also happened to serve up a meal paneer masala curry. I think you should definitely try this. Second, Woke Up Hostels, Goa. Situated in Arpura, near about 2 kilometers from Baga Beach. You know, this hostel features accommodation with a shared lounge, free private parking and a garden. The hostel has outdoor swimming pool and a shared kitchen along with the free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Also, the area is popular for cycling and bike hire and car hire. Third one is a Mumbai's Horn OK Please Hostel. With events happening nearly every night of the week and staff who will go out of their way to help, you will find yourself navigating Mumbai like a pro in no time if you stay at this hostel. You know, you are bond with the other hostel backpackers at the live music event and retire back to hostel brimming with the home comfort and comfy beds. So damn cool. They organize events throughout the week from live music to clubbing. Udaipur, known as Venice of East. Our next hostel from Udaipur is a Mustach. Mustach Udaipur hostels is provide adult only accommodation with a restaurant, bar and shared lounge. Along with the facility at this property are a 24-hour front desk, ticket service along with the free Wi-Fi. This property is very close from popular attraction like Lake Pichola, vintage car collection and Gulab Bagh. Hostel from Pushkar, our next hostel. You know, hostel is the best place to soak up on mellow vibes. The private rooms are very spacious and used beds. The staff go above and beyond to make sure your stay is unforgettable with organized tours, helpful advice, and engaging conversation. Make sure you don't forget your swimming cozy, as this hostel has its own private pool. Mushtaq Hostel from Varanasi is a boutique hostel. And you know what? Sometimes you just need to stay somewhere a little bit nicer than a basic backpackers. And this place is definitely a level up. For a start, the hostel is massive, so you won't need to worry about cramped dorms or finding place to settle down and get some work done. But what makes it one of the best hostel in India? It is a location. Literally guys, the location in Varanasi is a stone's throw away from the Gangas. Our next hostel is from Delhi. Let's Bunk Hostel. This hostel is in outskirts of Delhi, perfect for a couple looking to escape the traffic and all that stuff, who wants to live away from the city center. This is the perfect hostel. And the main thing, the staff are brimming with the local knowledge, and the house khas neighborhood is home to a host of bars, restaurants, cool cafes. So you won't be left short of things to do. Our next hostel is from Jaipur, Ghost Stops. For a coffee lover and conversation hunter, Ghost Stops Jaipur is one for you. Privacy curtains, bed lockers, and powerful shower makes this hostel a solo backpacker's dream. And everything, the cinema room, the play area, and the domes, you will definitely feel like a cute little home more than just in hostel. The hostel from Manali. The hostel chain makes an appearance for the second time in this roundup. But who can blame us when the hostel is this beautiful? Set amidst panoramic Himalaya mountains, the view which are on the display are a true treat for the eyes. Free Wi-Fi, travel assistance, and hot showers are all offered as a standard here. And our last best hostel in India is from Rishikesh, the Backpackers Panda. It is situated in Rishikesh, 500 meters from the Patanjali International Yoga Foundation. This hostel in Rishikesh features accommodation with a restaurant, free private parking, and shared lounge. At the hostel, each room has balcony with a city view. And these hostel rooms are fitted with the air conditioning and a private bathroom also. That's all guys. These are our top hostel in India. I'm planning to make videos on other countries' top hostels also. Comment below which country's information you want to see on my channel. Also don't forget to check all cities' best hostels on my channel. And the last, subscribe my channel for more hostel information in the future. Take care and bye bye.